Prophetic update to you, Yom Aleph, Rabbi Shapira. Later on this evening, I am going to be releasing to you another prophetic update from the so-called Peace Council that has been released as chilling news. Make sure you tune in later today. Qatar, Turkey, inside of Gaza. Are we seeing prophecy fulfilled before our eyes? Watch it with me later on today. I've chosen the city of Akko, where you hear the sound of the Imam this morning as we stand upon the wall. We hear the sound of the guns, rumors of wars and wars coming. We got to get ready, friends. We must get ready in those days. I urge you today to do the things that bring tikkunim right before Rosh Chodesh Shvat, before Purim, before the attack. And yes, there is an attack coming. Let's get ourselves ready. Please support Operation 3. Friends, I have few intensive days here. Pray for me, everybody. And then I'm heading to France and then to China and Hong Kong. Let's continue to pray today as the sound of the Mashiach is upon us. Just here, outside those walls that you see here those beautiful walls. I want you to read, long before there was a Crusaders and Islam and Jewish people lived there. Don't ever forget that the truth is on our side and the truth always wins. Tune in later on today. God bless you and have a blessed Rosh Chodesh that come upon you for goodness.